Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm sat here in Britain's first mosque, which was established in the late 1800s, Victorian times, by Sheikh Abdullah Quilliam. Now, many of you might have seen an announcement recently by an organization called Quilliam, which was formerly known as Quilliam Foundation. It's a self-proclaimed think tank, and I just want to clarify that even though they're announcing that they will no longer operate, alhamdulillah, I think it's important to clarify that they have nothing, or they have never had anything to do with the Abdullah Quilliam Society here in Liverpool, with this building, with the mosque, or I would even go so far as to say that they have nothing to do with the legacy of Sheikh Abdullah Quilliam. Some people might be surprised, so the mainstream British society kind of saw this organization, the Quilliam Society, as a palatable group of individuals offering solutions for them. However, they would not have had any idea that many of the reports which were coming out from this organization were actually seen as antagonistic within the Muslim community, and always seemed to be at the detriment of progressing the grassroots Muslim community here in this country. So alhamdulillah, just to get it out there, if you want to research Sheikh Abdullah Quilliam, please get the name Quilliam Foundation and Quilliam out of your minds. They've announced that they're closing now, so now is time to claim back the name of Sheikh Abdullah Quilliam, and the way we can do this is to discover his history, read his biography, find about the amazing things which he did with his community back in Victorian times, which we can still use as an example and a kind of a bar to aim towards in our community development today. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
A visitor centre. This will become the very first ever British Muslim Victorian mosque, where you will experience at first hand how Victorian Muslims lived, and this is a very unique project of its kind in the Western world.
This space is not just an integral part of Victorian history, but an integral part of Victorian Islam.